Have you ever wondered how hairstylists tend to achieve the Lagos hairline? That natural hairline that you tend to see that most brides and celebrities wear on different occasions, be it birthday shoots, movie shoots. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the hairline the fastest way in less than 5 minutes. So go nowhere. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a 16 inches HD lace frontal to achieve this installation. So the frontal has been plucked. I'm going to drop a video of how I pluck the frontal, but currently I'm trying to detangle the frontal a little bit, and as you can see, HD laces are quite very fragile, so you have to be very careful. So now I'm using my spray. So this is actually to help me thin down her front her edges. I'll be taking it backward. Then I will be first of all, you want to do the measurement. I'll do the measurement to ensure that the frontal sits well on the client's head. So I'm going to be asking her to help me out in holding the front at one end while I work on the other end. You want to make sure that your frontal is sitting perfectly on your customer's head. You don't want to drag it too much or stretch it too much. So the next thing is to make an M shape. You guys must have seen this before. So this is how it's been done. You make an M shape. You want to start exactly at the middle of your customer's head. So that's why I said you have to make sure that the lace is completely seated well on your customer's head. So make the M shape. So I'm gonna advise that you use a tail comb like what I'm using. So the tail comb I'm using has a sharp edge, and with this is gonna make the work very easy. As you can see, I'm just giving my lines. I'm not even having any issues. Like I don't even have to go back to give any line again. So this works fast. So my hot comb, I'll be using the hot comb to also trim the hair to make sure everything is coming out smooth. And I also like using this thing, using this tail comb, because it makes me to see the finishing of the hair even before I tend to start the other part of the starts the hair, even though I just started the hair. So with the help of my scissors, I'll be trimming the excess just like this. I'll be trimming in a zigzag motion. I'm not doing any straight lines. And you also want to ensure that the hair you are separated is not obstructing you when you're trimming. So I'm going to be replicating the same process that I did on one side of the lace to the on the other side. And make sure when doing this thing, you want to be patient. So if you have any client who is actually in a rush that she wants to leave the seat, most of these clients can be very funny, wanting you to be very fast or speed up the process. You have to make them understand that what you're doing is very delicate, and if there's any mistake, you're going to be held responsible, or you won't be held responsible rather. So this is how it came out when um, we finished training. And I have to, sorry I didn't show when I applied the glue. So if you want a full version of this video of how to learn how to make the video spec front and installation, where everything is done in detail, everything is captured in details. Please join our online class. I'll be giving you information about that very soon. So guys, this is how the frontal turned out to be. And if you want to learn more about installation or hair making, kindly follow us on this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up and likes. And better still, you can sign up for our online trainings where you get to learn everything you need to know about hair making, installation of short hairs, bridal hairs, and the rest of it. So